So, dear students, we were discussing the use of semicolon. Okay, on that day we have discussed full stop, exclamatory sign, question mark, and commas. And today we will be discussing the use of semicolon. Okay, so get ready with this. Semicolon. See, semicolon is used when we are given two independent rows. When two independent rows are given and when we want to join two independent clauses in the center for first clause and after that second clause is given. So if we want to join semicolon. So बच्चे do it very carefully because during your exam preparation you will not face any kind of problem if you might have listened these explanations very carefully. Okay, because in your paper punctuations will be asked every time it is asked, it is a part of your syllabus, so go through it very carefully. Okay, when two independent clauses are given, independent clauses means these clauses stand on their own, they have their own sense. So when we want to you can say join them, then we use semicolon. For example, the weather was good. The weather was good. We went outside. We went. So the weather was good. We went outside. Both are two independent clauses, and when we want to join them, we will be using this semicolon there. Okay, clear बच्चे? Clear? And when we have individual words in apposition, then also we use semicolon. Just wait for a while. Shabd Chadda, show me your face, only then I will allow you to sit in my class. Show me your face only for a while, then you can keep your camera off. Shabd Chadda. Okay, now you can keep your camera off. I wanted to confirm only that it is Shabd Chadda or somewhere else. Someone else. Okay. So, for example, Mr. Ram, chairman, Mr. Ram, chairman, Rohit, his son, Ravinder, his secretary, and see, the persons are given, along with that their designation is given. Persons are given and along with that their designations are given. So Mr. Nath, chairman, Rohit, his son, Ravinder, his secretary went there. So in this cases, what we people will do, Mr. Rana, chairman, he will be putting semicolon. Okay, and after that, Rohit's son, then again he will be putting semicolon. Ravinder, his secretary. So these three persons along with their opposition is given. So in order to differentiate them, here you will be using semicolons in between. Okay. So this is the use. First, when two independent clauses are given, in that case, in order to, this is the use of semicolon. When person is given, here you are not supposed to use commas. No. This is the rule that you have to follow. That's why you don't score good marks in punctuation, because you don't follow the rules properly. You have to follow proper rules. When person along with apposition is given, then semicolon. When two independent clauses are given, then you can use semicolon. Okay. Now after that, next punctuation mark that we are going to use, that is colon. Like this. Okay. So where to use colon? These points you also have to keep in your mind. Okay. When we want to introduce a word, when you want to introduce a word or any phrase, okay, when you want to introduce a word, a phrase, any quotation is there or any sentence is there. Any sentence is there or any quotation is there. In that case, you use what? Okay, when you want to introduce this thing. For example, Karan can think only of and only of one thing, music. So before music, you are supposed to use colon. Okay. If you want to say about current sentence, in this case also you can write down colon. Okay. Karan can think of only one thing. He wants to be a musician. Then colon. It is the go through these examples. These are given in your grammar book. These examples are given in your grammar book. Go through this. Karan can think of only three things: composing music, starting a band, and being famous. So Karan can think of only three things. So what are those three things? Before that, you can say colon. Karan said what is his dialect. For that also you can put colon. Okay. And when you want to give importance to any of the special thing, in this case also you can use colon. For example, he knew that he had to do. See, you want to put focus on one sentence, one word, that he knew he had to do. What is that? Apologize. So here you want to focus on that, apologize. So before that, you have put colon. Okay. So you do it slowly. Don't run after your syllabus. Whatever you do it very carefully. Okay, understand it thoroughly, and then think that if such kind of punctuations are asked, will you be able to do or not? Okay, so you think about this thing. Okay, but beta, after that, next we have apostrophe. Next we have apostrophe. Apostrophe is like this. Okay, and apostrophe, this punctuation marks is used to show possession. For example, Rita's pen. Rita's pen. Radha's books. So when you want to see the possession, when you want to see the possession, in that case, you use apostrophe. Rita's pen, Radha's books. Okay, so in this case, it will be used, but it is a singular person. Suppose there is plural. Suppose there is a plural, then what will you do? Ishan Sharma is there. Ishan Sharma is there in my class. Raise your hand, Ishan Sharma. Yes, Ishan, show me your face for a while, then you can keep your camera off. Is it you? Ishan Sharma, show me your face for a while. Show me your face. Show me your only face. I just want to see it is Ishan Sharma. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from my class and you will not be able to enter again. My PC don't have camera. Today I will be talking to your parents and I will confirm this thing. Okay? I will be confirming this thing that you are telling a lie, it is truth. You all of you keep your cameras off. I don't want to see your faces. Keep your cameras off. Whenever I see any of the child to keep their cameras on, only then they will be keeping their cameras on. It really distracted me. Whenever I have any doubt, only then I can tell you to keep it on. Otherwise, keep it on. So when we have plural, for example, girls' bags. So when we have plural, okay, then after S, comma will be written. After S, comma will be written. For example, boys' bags. Boys' bags. So if you want to show the possession of boys' bags, then you can use apostrophe after S. Keep this thing in your mind. It is a very important punctuation apostrophe, and so many students do not know about this thing and they commit error in their exam. When we have boys' bags, so after S, comma will be there. Okay? Clear? Suppose there is any model is used and you want to contract that model, like cannot, would not, will not. So in that case also apostrophe is used. For example, cannot. And so many students commit that error are found even in senior classes. Can't is written like that. I am so surprised. Why do they write down double N in that? Why do they write down double N in that? It should be can't, C-A-N apostrophe T. Okay. So would not. Short form will be wouldn't. Here in this sense, apostrophe is used. Can anybody tell me the short form of will not? Do you know this thing? What is the short form of will not? Yes, it is want. So in this case, also apostrophe is used. Okay. Clear? One more important thing I want to tell you, listen very carefully as a student of 8th class, this knowledge you should have. See, sometimes I tell you to read, okay? And student really face difficulty when they read like this word. Lavish, wait. When they read this word, they really face difficulty. They don't know what is written there. Type in chat box and tell me what is that I have written there. Huh? Type in chat box. See, it is I would also. Some of the students are writing I would, and some of the students are writing I had. So who is right? Who will be deciding? See, if it is I would, there should be verb first form, and if you have the third form, I had. And when you read any of the text, you face difficulty because you get stuck. It is I would or I had to read further verb. What verb is here? For example, I would like to be a. I would like to be a. So here I would. I had done this work. So here it is had. I only added this thing so that you can enhance your knowledge while reading text. You face such kind of difficulty, you are stuck on that. It is I would like to be a, I had done this work. So here in this would and in this case is had, because here first form is there and here third form is. But both short form is like this, and this is apostrophe D. I plus would, ID, I apostrophe, I had, I apostrophe had. Is there any Saksham Narang in your class? है तुम्हारी क्लास में Saksham Narang? Yes, Lavish, what do you want to say?
मैम प्लीज आप अपना एक माइक पुट ऑन कर लो क्योंकि आपकी आवाज बहुत इको में जा रही है.
So whatever the lecture I have given you, it was not clear.
मैम क्लियर तो था, बीच बीच में आ रही थी आवाज, बीच बीच में थोड़ी सी इको में जा रही थी. अभी तो क्लियर है.
Okay, okay. Clear? So I would, I had. Okay. Now this concept is clear. This concept is clear. Only this much you have to understand. Now let's do page number 193, exercise C. All of you start doing, write down only answer and type in chat box page 193, exercise C. Page 193, exercise C. India's biggest disadvantage is its growing population. India's, yes. So it is a name of a country. With name of a country, you can use apostrophe S. Okay. Indians have one advantage over the Chinese, the knowledge of English. Where to use punctuation mark? Think over this. Which punctuation mark will be used here? Think over this. Don't run so fast. Take your own time. Decide it, then you write down. Yes, bache, you have to do this exercise in your fair notebook also, because this time you have only two grammar topics, idioms and punctuation. Idioms I have discussed with you, first two exercises. You will be writing the meanings and you will be writing their sentences also. You will be framing sentences in your own words. And punctuations, I'm going so slow. You are supposed to do exercise A, B and C in your fair notebook. A and B we have discussed on that day. C also we will be able to discuss today. So you are supposed to do this exercise C in your fair notebook. Clear? Clear, bache? Now tell me, Indians have one advantage over the Chinese. Where to use which punctuation mark? Yes, after Chinese, you will be writing colon. Okay. After Chinese, the knowledge of English. Next. The AC in our office has one problem. There is a pause. Now think, when we speak any of the sentence, think over this, where a pause is coming. So wherever the pause is coming, it means you are going to use punctuation marks only there. So think over this and write down your answer in chat box. Hurry up. The AC in our office has one problem. One problem. Yes. So after problem, what punctuation marks you are supposed to use? It will be colon. Okay, so what is that problem? It either makes the room too cold or it doesn't. Here contraction does not, short form is doesn't. So here you are supposed to put inverted commas below. Clear? You write down your exercise, and whenever you will be putting punctuation marks, use another color pen. Suppose you have written these sentences using blue pen, you can put punctuations with black, or you can take any of the colored sketch pen to put punctuation marks, so that at a glance you'll be able to understand what punctuation marks you have used in your exercise when you will be doing in your fair notebook. Okay. Now let's do sentence number 4. Let's do sentence number 4. The speakers in today's session are. So what is the problem there in today's session? Do you think it is right? No. Write your correct answer. Today's. How to write down today's? See, in answer it is written today's. So it is right. Where you have to put apostrophe? Tell me. Where to put apostrophe in today's? Here. Here you are supposed to use. Nobody has written correct answer about today's. So the speaker in today's session, apostrophe as session R, then colon. Today's session R, colon, Ashalata, yes. So Ashalata is the name of a person. After Ashalata, you will be using comma. Yes. Ashalata, the leader of Bangalore group. Now see, designations are given. It is given according to apposition. So Bangalore group. After group, you will be using this semicolon. Okay. Nina Rajdan. Then what do we use? Nina Rajdan, only simple comma. The leader of the Allahabad group and Karthik from Cochin. Clear? Now let's do fifth. Think over this and tell me the answer. It's a known fact. What is the problem of it's? Where to put punctuation marks? Yes, Parigupta, very good. You are the first one to send me correct answer. What about others? Harman, yes, good. Suruchi, Karanya, very good. Only 4 have participated. Others are not writing. Yes, Suruchi, yes. Simar, very good. So it's here. Comma should be written. It's a known fact that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So only I should be capital. After T, you are supposed to use apostrophe. Okay. Now let's do 6th. In the new grading system, comma as stand for excellent. After excellent, what to be used? After excellent, tell me what to be used after excellent. Yes, comma. B is for goods and C is for average. B is for good. Yes, here, comma. B is for good and C is like this. C is for average. So you will be writing apostrophe between B and S, between C and S. Bache, you have to do only this much. I'm going so slow with punctuation marks because students are very much overconfident. Sometimes they think it is a very easy thing to do, but no, bache, you have to do it very, very carefully. You have to use precautions. You have to think over this. You have to think about logic. What is the logic behind semicolon? What is the logic behind colon? All the things are discussed. So you will be doing only exercise A, B, and C. A and B we have done a day before yesterday, and exercise C we have done today. So 3 exercises you will be doing in your book as well as in your fair notebook, and it will be thoroughly checked. And whenever you will be putting any punctuation marks, you can use separate color. You can say sketch pen or any another pen. It should be highlighted because it will be easy for me to check it thoroughly. Don't use all the things with blue only. In between, use another sketch pen to highlight your punctuation marks. Bache, you do this work in your notebook, and whenever schedule will be sent to you, you will be sending your notebooks according to the given schedule, online checking, for online checking. Okay, bache? Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Utilize your Sunday. Okay. Read any good book on Sunday. Spare some time and utilize that time. Enhance your knowledge. It is a time to learn something. Okay, bache.